Short and easy speech on Defense Day. Good morning everyone, my name is Fatima. Today is the 6th of September, which is celebrated every year as a Defense Day in Pakistan. On this day in 1965, Indian soldiers attacked Pakistan, but Pakistani soldiers fought bravely and won the War of Indo-Pak. Pakistan is the country for which Muslims of combined India served their bones as bricks and their blood as water, to set the basis for Pakistan. Dear Sir, since Independence Day we have been struggling against all kinds of evils. After 18 years of independence, another challenge was in front of Pakistan, a cunning enemy Pakistan had to face. Yes, Defense Day teaches us that we should sacrifice ourselves for the country whenever it needs us. The 6th of September is a proud for our nation. It is a day to honor the heroes and remember their courage, sacrifices and dedications. Let's be grateful their bravery and keep Pakistan a strong and safe place. Thank you. Pakistan Zindabad.